Tired of sending WhatsApp messages one by one? I'm about to show you how to reach hundreds, even thousands, with Wati's powerful bulk messaging feature. First, log into your Wati account and navigate to the broadcast section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. This is your command center for all things bulk messaging. Next, click on Create Broadcast. This will open a new window where you can craft your message and choose your recipients. Now, write your message in the text box provided. You can even add images, videos, or documents to make your broadcast more engaging. Just click the appropriate upload button. Personalize each message by using variables to automatically insert customer names or specific details. Select your recipients. You can upload a CSV file with your contact list, choose from existing contact groups you've created in Wati, or use advanced filters to target specific segments of your audience based on attributes like purchase history or location. Choose whether to send your message immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Scheduling is perfect for reaching customers at optimal engagement times. Before sending, carefully review your broadcast details, the message content, the number of recipients, and the sending schedule. Once you're satisfied, click Send Broadcast. Wati provides detailed analytics so you can track the performance of your broadcast, monitor delivery rates, open rates, and responses to optimize your future campaigns. That's it. Unleash the power of Wati's bulk messaging to connect with your audience like never before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wati tips.